Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And today I'm just gonna make this feather painting using just a watercolor and markers. So if you are new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel first, so that you get to see more of this kind of paintings and other DIYs that I do usually. So here I take a watercolor paper and I just cut them in the shape of the size of 8 by 10, so that if I want to sell it on my Etsy shop, I can do that. Alright, so here I started drawing the feather, and I'm just doing the outline for now, and I'm just roughly drawing it, and I'm just using a reference picture from online, just to get some more idea of what kind of shape I want to do, and how big, how small I want to do. But yeah, so here I'm just drawing it, and then I'm just gonna work on my background to apply some watercolor there, and just randomly I'm using 4 or 5 colors there, but you'll see me next step how I apply those colors using just a watercolor. But again, if you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel. Just keep watching. If you have any question, just leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you. And I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. And for those who are new to my channel, I also have Etsy shop, so whatever I make on my YouTube channel here, I also sell those in my Etsy shop. So in case if you like any of my art, you can always purchase it from me from my Etsy. Or if you're like me, crafty, you can also follow these instructions, the video instructions, and you can also make your own. I know I am in so love with this kind of art now. I am making this a lot than I should, I guess. I don't know, but I hope you guys enjoy watching this. So I make this feather, mountain, cat, dog, the POW one that was very famous one so far. I sold one, I'm so happy. I also make one more, the same one, so that's why I didn't really make a video for that one, but you can check out my last video, I'm talking about that one. But yeah, if you want me to make something else, just let me know in the comment. I would love to try a different thing, and I would love to make a new kind of a thing if you want me to do that. Yeah, but I don't know what I was saying, but yeah, so I'm talking about anything else you can think of that you want me to try. I would love to do that. So last time I used crayon, I used alcohol ink for the last time, instead of the watercolor that I'm using this time. But yeah, so I use alcohol inks, this time watercolor. And the first time when I tried something like this for the background, I actually used crayon and I melted it, and that was also fun. You can also check out my other video too. Alright, so I'm just gonna leave you here. I'm not gonna talk more, but just keep watching. Oh, and I'm sorry, this video slightly looks like it's a darker, but just because I move all of my supplies, all of my art supplies, my all stuff, everything in my basement. So from now I'm gonna be making all of my video from my basement, so that's why it's gonna be slightly darker, but I hope you guys still like it. I used to be in my bedroom, but now I have to move everything to my basement now. So again, I hope you still like this video and other videos too. I know it's gonna be slightly darker than what it used to be, but yeah. me more than 2 hours to complete. So thank you for your patience, and thank you for watching my whole video today. And again, I hope you guys enjoyed watching all of my drawing step too. I try not to skip any drawing part this time. Alright, so I also have to sign it because last time so many people told me, why are you not signing your art? So here is my sign. Again, thank you for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. And if you have any questions, just leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you. Alright, thank you for watching. Bye, I'll see you next time.